Welcome to this technical guide on the HP14 or BK. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a rapid battery drain on your HP14 BK, you're not alone. This can often happen due to an aging battery or accumulated dust inside the laptop. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to further complications, including potential damage to other components. Today, we'll guide you through the process of replacing the battery and cleaning the fan, ensuring your device runs efficiently again. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and, of course, a replacement battery. It's also a good idea to have a clean workspace and some anti-static wristbands to prevent any electrical damage. First, ensure your laptop is shut down and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. As you gently pry open the back cover with the spudger, take care not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular shape and connected by a couple of wires. Carefully disconnect these wires, paying attention to the orientation so you can connect the new one easily. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Be mindful of how tightly these screws are fastened, a gentle twist should suffice. Now, slowly lift out the old battery. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one, ensuring the connectors align properly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, but again, don't over-tighten them. After that, reconnect the wires, making sure they are firmly attached. Once everything is back in place, gently replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. Finally, power on your laptop and check if it's holding a charge well. If the battery drains quickly again, it might be worth consulting a professional. To prevent this issue in the future, try to avoid overcharging your battery and keep your laptop clean from dust. Regular maintenance can greatly extend the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.